Today, my favourite way of making a rich and delicious pizza sauce. So let's do it. The first step, you want to stick a pan onto the hob, turn the heat to medium and add a little splash of olive oil. And the first ingredient, we want some tomato paste. Add about 2 tablespoons of your tomato paste, and it's really important to roast this off for about 2 or 3 minutes before we go in with any more ingredients. So give your tomato paste a little stir, and while that roasts off for a couple of minutes, you want to take some garlic, and you want anywhere between 2 and 4 cloves of garlic. Remove the skins, but you don't need to chop the garlic up at all. We just want this to beautifully perfume the sauce. So once you've peeled your garlic cloves, chuck those in with the tomato paste, and the next ingredient, we want some tomato passata. Pour in your passata, and the last ingredient we're going to need is some lovely fresh basil. Add a few sprigs of your basil, give the sauce a good seasoning with some salt, give it a good stir through, and then you just want the sauce to gently simmer away for about 15 minutes or so. We want to reduce it down till it's really nice, concentrated and jammy. It's really important to make sure your sauce is really nice and reduced for a pizza. We don't want it to be watery at all. And after about 15 minutes or so, it should be good to go. So make sure you remove all of the garlic and basil, and there we have it, a beautiful, rich and delicious pizza sauce. See you next time.